In today's video, I'm going to teach you Midjourney, how to delete your images. Open your web browser and start on Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney and press enter. From the results, click the official Midjourney website. A quick tip here, make sure you're on the legitimate site before signing in, and if you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in so you can manage your own images. Once you're on the site, look for the Organize section and click it. This is your personal library where Midjourney collects your generations. Think of it as your dashboard for sorting, filtering, and tidying up your work. If you have a lot of images, you can scroll through the grid or use the page's filters to narrow things down. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right account and workspace if you manage multiple profiles. Next, select the image you want to delete. Click the thumbnail to open the image details page. Before you remove anything, double-check that you've picked the correct image, especially if you've made multiple versions of the same prompt. Deleting is meant for images you no longer need, so it's a good idea to keep a backup elsewhere if you think you might want it later. With the image open, look for the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, usually near the top or alongside the image options. Click that icon to open the menu. From the list of actions, choose Trash Image. You may be asked to confirm before the deletion is applied. Confirm to proceed. After that, the image will be removed from your library. If it still appears in the grid, refresh the page to update the view. If you want to remove additional images, go back to Organize and repeat the process for each one. It's a steady way to keep your gallery clean and focused. If you don't see the Organize tab or the menu icon, try resizing your browser window or scrolling. Some controls can shift on smaller screens. Also, keep in mind that deleting an image from your Midjourney web gallery doesn't automatically remove copies you may have shared elsewhere. If you posted it on other platforms, you'll need to delete those separately. That's the full process. Open Midjourney from Google, head to Organize, select your image, open the menu with the 3 horizontal lines, and choose Trash Image. Take your time, verify the right file, and you'll keep your workspace neat and easy to manage. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!